Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines for School Morning Assembly. News from the country: Harsh Kumar Jain to take charge as Indian envoy to Ukraine. Ayush Ministry to celebrate Yoga Mahotsav at Red Fort on World Health Day. The External Affairs Ministry announced Pankaj Sharma and Palaniswamy Subramaniam Karthikeyan as India's new High Commissioners to the countries of Belize and Kiribati, respectively. Only retired judges or lawyers can be judicial members of tribunals. Quote: Rajasthan's carved stone slabs reach Ayodhya for Ram temple construction. Delhi government schools to offer German language course. PM Modi to address party workers on BJP Foundation Day today. And now some international news. Please keep sharing NASA astronauts' photos of clouds taken from space and thrills internet. China's Xi Ukraine's Zelensky may finally speak, signals diplomats call. Prices of fruits and vegetables are skyrocketing in Sri Lanka amid economic and political crisis. US to send drones with anti-armor warhead to Ukraine, Pentagon chief. And now some sports news. Due to super shoes, many new records will be broken in track and field events. Anju Bobby George. IPL 2022, Dinesh Karthik stars in Royal Challengers Bangalore's come from behind win over Rajasthan Royals. Ravi Shastri said Team India really missed T. Natarajan during the T20 World Cup. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.